Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this, the Grilled Chicken Caprese Sandwich. So we got ourselves a brandy new Weber kettle. We're going to be using the good charcoal company, lump charcoal, 100% chemical free. So what we're going to do is we're going to light the charcoal on this side, and this will get nice and burning hot, and we'll have a safe zone so we can sear the chicken on this side, and then when we need to put it over here to rest, it's out of the heat. We'll let this go for 30 minutes. It'll be ashed over and then ready to cook on. Now let's go season that chicken. I cannot have I can't have a dry sandwich, so we're going to make a sauce for this before we even touch the chicken. So we got some mayo, some olive oil, some Dijon mustard, balsamic vinaigrette. We're going to take some Malcolm's Italian Stallion, sprinkle some of that in there, about a teaspoon. So we're going to put some roasted garlic in here. What I did was I cut the top off, put some olive oil on it, and the AP seasoning, put it in the air fryer, wrapped up in aluminum foil. So we'll squeeze that in. And then to balance it out, we're going to use some Mike's Hot Honey. Ew. Smush up the garlic pieces. I did let the garlic sit out for a half hour after I roasted it, so it wasn't too hot. Yeah, that's real good. I will put this in the fridge and we'll start with the chicken. It's a thick ass piece of chicken, so we're going to cut it down. If you like a thicker sandwich, you can obviously just keep the chicken full size. There's my uneven cutting. This one is obviously too thin. I'm just throw that out because I suck at cutting that. Alright, we're going to use Killer Hogs TX brisket rub on these. It's got a nice mix of spices and salt and pepper. We'll check on the grill and throw these on when it's all ashed up. So our charcoal is all ashed over. Now we can throw our chicken on. I did wash the grates with soap and water when I first put this together. I recommend doing it. You don't know what was on the grill grates from the factory, so throw them right over the charcoal. We're gonna let these go for about a minute. Once you start to see the white almost up to the other side, we'll flip them and then temp them, and we'll put them over here if they got to finish a little bit longer. All right, after 1 minute, you can see it's white almost halfway up to here. It's white, so we'll flip that over. These look good. Nice color on them. Let these go for another minute. Now it's been another minute. We'll check the temperatures. 116. Ooh, that's hot. So now what we're going to do, we're going to move these to the cooler side. It's the best part about using two-zone cooking setup. Now we'll put the lid on this and let it go. Pull them off around 155, 158, somewhere in there. Let them rest on a cookie sheet, and they'll rise up to 165. 160. So we will pull these off immediately. They look good though. Look at the color on that. Pull these off. Now we're going to build our sandwich. We let the chicken rest for about 20 minutes. It's going to be nice and juicy. So we're going to take our garlic balsamic aioli. Put a little bit of that on there, because like I said, I cannot have dry bread. Grab our nice chicken. Look how beautiful that is. Put down some fresh mozzarella, some tomato, some basil, now some balsamic glaze. That is a beautiful looking sandwich. Look at that beauty. I don't want to cut on my nice cutting board, so let's cut this sandwich in half. Look at that. That is beautiful. The chicken seasoned well. You got the nice char on it from the charcoal. You got the TX brisket rub on there. It goes excellent on anything. Then you got the freshness of the basil, the tomato, the fresh mozzarella. That garlic aioli sets it off, and then you put some of that. Then you put some of the balsamic glaze on the top, adds a little sweetness to it. This is magnificent. My word. That's an excellent sandwich. Other than the aioli, it's all pretty good for you. It's got all the flavors you would want. It tastes so good. It's nice and fresh. That's our video for today. I'll have a link in the description for the Thermapen, the Killer Hogs TX brisket rub, Malcolm's Italian Stallion, and we used the AP rub today. I also have a link in the description for the Good Charcoal Company, 100% chemical-free charcoal. Use the store locator. You can use the store locator on their website and find out where to get some. All right, see ya. It's dinner time. Go.